Today, I'm here to take you from this to this. If you have any tutorial requests, all you have to do is like and comment it down below. I also post a tutorial every week or two around Wednesday. So if you're looking forward to becoming a better editor, subscribe to my channel. I'll be using a Twixtor clip for this. If you want to learn how to, click the card in the top right corner and watch that tutorial. Click on Fill and go to Lens Flare. Select Lens Flare 11. Now go down and change the blend mode to Add. With the tint, which is the color of the flare, you mainly want to change the color to the color of the character eyes, but in some cases you are able to use any other color you like. Go down to Iris and put it on 0. Now go back up to Positions and add a keyframe at the beginning and end of the clip. In case of the character moving, you want to add keyframes in order to keep the flare around the middle of their eye. And while doing this, don't be a dum-dum like me and lower the scale a bit so you can actually see. After, add a keyframe at the beginning and end of the clip under Scale. The first keyframe. Boost the scale number up to the point where you can somewhat barely see the character's face. Then at the end keyframe, set it to 0. Now here, don't mind this. I just wanted to say how stupid this thing was acting. I kept putting it in the middle, then it kept moving to the side. And this stupid thing wasn't doing that when I wasn't recording, then randomly do it when I do record. Just stupid, 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 stupid. When everything's done in the right place, go to Curve Editor and copy my graph if possible. When you're finished, go down to Glint and put it on 1.45. And put Glow on 0.20. Check it over to see if it's to your liking. If your editing is more high-paced and you need the flare to be faster, just move the end keyframe under Scale to the middle, and that should make it better. If it's to your liking, make sure, if you're exporting, to put your FPS on 30, and just like that, we're done. I know there's barely views, likes, and comments on this video, but please don't be afraid to tell me what your thoughts are on the video. I'll accept any feedback and criticism I can get, being that it will help me in the long run. Thank you for choosing to watch this video.